Hi everybody. Today we're working on the white car here. Gonna give it a wash. We're gonna do an oil change on it, and we're changing the control arm bushings. I got these lower control arm bushings. This one here seems to have been popped out from the accident when I bought this car. Still working out some of the details in it, making sure it's safe to drive. We found those were popped out, kind of had a loose steering in it. So we're going to change them out today, get that replaced, and then do an oil change on it, because I did do pretty much a cleaning of the whole engine, intake, and the actual cylinders. Let me show you there. So like I was saying, these bushings got popped out in the accident somehow. I think it might have hit the passenger side. There was no damage to the passenger side, but the wheel might have hit something. I'm not sure, the curb or something, and it popped off the bushing. So I got some new ones here. I believe they are Euro brand or Euro parts brand. So we're gonna slap these on. So for those of you that didn't know, this car was crashed. The whole front end right here was bumper was damaged, the hood was damaged, the radiator support was damaged, the radiator was damaged. Everything here pretty much was replaced, repainted. Now to get them off, I use this tool here. This very simple. We basically hook the jaws around the bushing and put the center pin to the center of the axle. I mean, not the axle, the control arm there. And that should just push it through. Really easy. I got both of them off real fast. Okay guys, so got the oil change done. Didn't need to show you guys that. I'm sure if you got this car, you know how to do the oil change. Now got it washed up, semi, not the cleanest, but just cleaning up. I'm gonna throw on the wheels, start it up. This hasn't been started up in quite a little bit. Excited to run it, see what it does. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, after you seafoam your car, it's gonna burn a lot of oil for a while. At least a few minutes, maybe half hour or so. It's a lot of petroleum based products, so basically oil in the engine. Even though I just did the new oil change, there's still a lot of residual in the intake, some in the pistons, but we'll burn it out. Don't be scared. Looks pretty bad though. Right now it was worse. It looked pretty bad. This is cleaning up now. You see the smoke looks a bit bluish. That's oil burning basically, but it was real bad. Now it's cleaning up. It's good. That's a good thing. All right everybody, so after doing the oil change and actually driving it, it felt really good. I think that cleaning of the engine cylinders, the intake, it really helped it. Put new gaskets on the intake manifold. This car felt real strong, very fast. I'm really surprised at how fast it felt. I think the next thing is we're just gonna run it a little bit, make sure it's all good, scan it, make sure there's no check engine lights, and make sure fuel trims are good, no leaks. Should be running really good because I've done a lot of work to it, replaced almost all the gaskets. So if you haven't really been following this build, keep an eye out for it. We might be doing some different things to it. So if you didn't know, this car was crashed in the front. The whole front end, bumper, hood, lights, everything. I got all the parts, got them repainted, and matched everything up. Now I'm gonna show you the engine bay. We did everything here too. We got everything refreshed. Water pump, hoses, pulleys, pretty much everything on the front end. After we ran it, we had a check engine light on cylinder number 2. It said fuel cutoff, kind of weird, similar to a misfire. So we did a lot of research, didn't find anything online. Very uncommon but common at the same time. A lot of people talked about it, but nobody had an answer. I decided to do a very thorough cleaning, clean the intake manifold, make sure all the gaskets were new and tight, all the hoses were good. We cleaned the engine bay, we cleaned the valve cover, we also cleaned all the cylinders, we poured a seafoam in there, burned it out. So after running it, seems real good. I think we actually cleaned it up and may have even brought compression up, but that's just me talking. But the car felt really good. We're gonna be driving in the next few days and just testing it out and see how it performs. If everything goes good, we're good. If not, we may be pulling the cylinder head off. We'll go from there. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a short one, not too detailed, just a couple things that needed to get done in the car to get this thing running really good. It seems like it's running good for the moment. We're going to keep an eye on it and keep on working on it. We got a couple projects coming up for this car. We also got some things going on the blue 328 supercharged, and we got some projects going on this E46 325 IS. We're going to be turboing it, so make sure to come through and check it out. Don't forget to give us a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're going to continue to bring some content like this. If you guys like it, drop any comments on the bottom, any questions you have, anything you want to see. We got a couple cars out here to work on, so we got a lot of variety. Make sure to spread the word and let your boys know, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So thank you, peace out.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.